This video will be the even problems on page 215 and 216 notes. So make sure you watch the odd ones first, and then you can come back and watch the even ones. So what we do is we have an ordered pair, x, y, and then we have our slope, and we plug those numbers into y equals mx plus b, our slope-intercept form. We solve for b, and then we write our final answer with our m and our b plugged in. So for number 2, this is our x, this is our y, and slope again is m. So y is 4 equals m, which is 1/2, times x, which is 2, plus b. So you'll have those first 3 numbers filled in. Then you need to solve for b. So to do that, we need to multiply first. That would give us 1. So 4 equals 1 plus b. Then we need to get b by itself. So we need to subtract 1 in order to get b by itself. So b is equal to 3. Usually we stop after we solve an equation, but that is just getting us our missing piece. So we have our m and we have our b. So our final answer is y equals 1/2 x plus 3. You do not plug the ordered pair back in. After you write your first line, you do not use your ordered pair again. If you want to check to see if you're correct, you would graph this line with your slope and your y-intercept, and then make sure it goes through the ordered pair 2, 4. So for number 4, y is -1 equals m, which is -3/4, times x, which is -8, plus b. I usually, for a negative number, will put parentheses, but either way is fine as long as you can keep track that it's multiplying a negative. So -1 equals -3/4 times -8 would be +6 plus b. And I need to subtract 6 to get the b by itself. B would equal -7. So our final answer again, we need to use our m and our b that we just found. Y equals -3/4 x minus 7. Remember, if your b is a negative, you just write a minus sign. Do not put a plus negative. Number 6, -9 equals 4 times 0 plus b. Well, 4 times 0 is just 0, so b is equal to -9. If you think about what a y-intercept, it means it crosses the y-axis. So if your x is 0, that means that's your y-intercept. So our equation is y equals 4x minus 9. Number 8, -8 equals 3 times 3, -3 times 3 plus b. So -8 equals -9 plus b. Then I would need to add 9 to both sides to get b equals 1. So your final answer, your equation, y equals -3x minus 1. Number 10, -7 equals 1 times -4 plus b. So -7 equals -4 plus b. Add 4 to both sides. b equals -3. So your final answer, y equals, you don't need the 1, just put an x, minus 3. For 12, 9 equals 5 times 4 plus b. 9 equals 20 plus b. Subtract 20, b would equal -11. So your final answer is y equals 5x minus 11. For 14, -8 equals 5/6 times negative 6 plus b. Negative 8 equals negative 5 plus b. Add 5, b equals negative 3. So y equals 5 6x minus 3. And finally our last one, negative 8 equals negative 2 times 7 plus b. Negative 8 equals negative 14 plus b. Add 14 to both sides. B would equal 6. So our final answer is y equals negative 2x plus 6.